going to be making some bird feeders.
Ooh, feed the birds!
This is my personal favorite.
Yeah, it's great.
Just because it has some delicious peanut butter involved.
Yeah.
Speaking of peanut butter,
We want to say this at the beginning.
if you are allergic to peanut butter, do not use it. You don't have to use it.
Don't
do
use
it.
It's not worth it. The birds have food otherwise.
No.
You can use a different nut butter if you're not, like, if you have almond butter, if you're not allergic to that. If you're allergic to all tree nuts, you could use, like, sunflower seed butter or jam.
Or some jam. That's kind of the best alternative because if you have some peanut butter in your cupboard, you probably have some jam.
Yeah.
Or jelly.
What else are you going to have?
So you can grab that.
PB&J.
Some
It's a
great,
classic.
some grape jam, some grape jelly. Put that on there.
Ooh,
It works just as good.
raspberry, strawberry. Also, if you haven't had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich in a while, you should go make yourself one because they're so bomb. I hadn't had one in like 10 years, and I had one like a year ago, and I was like, whoa, I've been sleeping on PB&J.
I actually haven't had one in a
Oh
while either.
my gosh, they are so good.
All right.
Anyways.
Yeah. So, all right. Let's get started. Let's get into it. Let's talk. Get into it. Let's talk about what you're gonna need for today's craft/activity. You're gonna need toilet paper roll. Right here. We have ours. We have some holes punched into ours. Hopefully yours does too. If not, you can just like poke a hole in them.
Use
Or
scissors
something.
or pen.
Be
stab
safe.
it through. Yeah.
Be safe.
Safety first.
We're also going to use some string that you should also have just to put it through those to hang it somewhere and tie it up. We'll show you how that's going to work later. And you're going to need some, we already talked about it, peanut butter or jam or any kind of nut butter that you're not allergic to. We're using some butter knives so we can spread the peanut butter on the
bird feeder.
the roll.
On the roll. And the tube.
Yes.
You could use your fingers if you want to, but
It's a little bit messier.
yeah.
We don't want to get too crazy today. That's where we're going to be classy with our butter knives.
So nice.
And you're going to need some like birdseed. And we have some birdseed here that we're just going to roll.
Yeah,
roll
we just spread it out on a plate, so it'll be really easy for us to roll our peanut butter covered tubes.
And just have a surface that you don't mind getting a little dirty.
Cool.
Alright, well let's get started.
Let's
Let's do it.
Take the string.
We are so loud. They really are so annoyed with us in this.
You probably
Are you gonna put
annoyed
the string
with us.
first?
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
You.
That's a
Me?
good thing to say.
Yeah, you
Put
could
the
do
string
whatever you
first.
want. I
Yeah.
wanted to do the string first because I didn't.
I don't want to touch it later.
Yeah. I kind of wanted to have this part done, and I don't want my fingers to have peanut butter on them while I'm trying to tie the string, and it's a whole mess. With this, since we're using toilet paper tubes and they're like made out of a thin cardboard, put this maybe in a spot where it's not going to get rained on.
Exactly.
It can stay dry. So under some tree branches. Wow, this is really hard to
I'm
twist it.
struggling right now.
I just keep tying more knots and hoping that it's gonna work.
It's not gonna stay. I hope. If you guys got this string,
I hope you're having an easier time than we are. Okay, I think you just have to like.
this is not. This isn't a good string.
Right. So I think the trick with this is just to tie multiple knots, and I'll just kind of hold it in place. So I just tied many knots.
I hope if you have the same string that we do,
That you're.
but really any
Better at
string
it.
works. This one's a little hard to
Yeah.
tie, but just do multiple knots and it'll eventually.
Yeah. Just kind of.
We'll give you some close-ups later.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We'll get those close-up shots of these knots. They're pretty great. Just a basic knot.
Grade A
but-
knots.
Nothing but the best knots.
All right.
Just good nuts.
Now we're gonna get into this peanut butter.
With the PB or AB almond butter or SSB sunflower seed butter or jam.
G. What am I? Oh, I got some just doing this. I already got
Spread
some on my
this,
hand,
baby.
but it's okay. Like,
It's just a delicious accident.
it is. Yeah. And so
Because you have to.
I'm just like doing it like this so I don't get it
Yeah.
on my hands, even though I already did. Oh my gosh. You should have a good grip. Unless you don't
I
mind
have
getting
my
peanut butter on you. Like,
Fingers just on the inside, but yeah, I mean,
That's what I'm
honestly,
doing.
getting peanut butter on yourself is just, again,
it's fine.
a delicious
So-
mistake.
Personal preference.
Preference. It's a personal preference.
Preference. Can I get peanut butter? That'd be great. Okay.
No. Oh, maybe.
So now we have our peanut butter rolled onto our beautiful. What did I say?
Tubes. Also,
Tubes.
what we did is we rolled below where the punches or we put the peanut butter below where the holes are so that it gave us a little bit of space to hold on and not be as messy. You can put it up all the way to the top if you want, but you don't really need it up that high.
All right.
Start rolling.
Yeah, let's do it. You first. Do it.
Oh, wow. This is so fun. Okay. Now I'm gonna...
Get it on there. She just
Yeah. Gotta pack
Pack
it. Pack
pack it on
on the
there.
bird seed. You can maybe
that.
tap it a little bit, so if there's
Yeah.
any excess.
It's gorgeous.
Oh, so look at art. Wow, if I was a bird, I would be like, hot dang. That's a good.
Little spark.
That's a good snack.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at those. Pretty. Look at that bird seed.
So you might be wondering why we're making bird feeders. We are the Nature Club, but
We do want to feed the birds.
we do, and we think it's important to, unplug from media every once in a while. Put your phone down, set it aside, stop your
We
scrolling.
have no phones in front of us.
Stop your scrolling.
It's just me and some peanut butter and some bird seed.
Stop your scrolling.
It really feels nice to unplug. Like to just put your phone away for like an hour or something and just like go outside and leave it inside. I love like going on a walk and leaving my phone at home.
I think it's like just really important because sometimes you just need like a little mental health break. You can get overwhelmed with what you see online, and although it is important, it's like it's good to take a break every once in a while and really just take time to focus on you, focus on yourself, focus on your mental health, your overall health,
Yes.
and connect with the outdoors a little bit.
Yeah.
Like, I'm telling you, you're gonna feel great when you hang this up outside and you see a bird eating
You
the
fed a
bird.
bird.
You fed a bird. It's gonna be
Your
beautiful.
new
Beautiful sight.
friend is gonna be like, wow, thanks for putting down your phone and making me a snack.
Yeah. And you can hang this pretty much anywhere as long as it doesn't get wet.